What is up? So this is going to be a trade recap for 10th of December 2025. I'm not going to open my chart because I'm in active position right now and there is nothing to actually talk about trading. It's because my psychology is fucked up and I cannot change it for no, I mean, like, I cannot change it in like a day. Uh, by the way, one good thing is that no Zaz for like 2 days and that's good. Um, it's not like I'm actually scared about it. Like I don't give a fuck about it because I don't actually like it. And it's like just some sort of sorrowness, some sort of, like some sort of sadness was inside me, and that's the reason why I did that. And I'm not an active smoker, so anyways, fuck that shit. Not about that. And yeah, about trading, I need to like stop trading for like this month. I should be done. Uh, I should not care about trading. I should actually forget about trading this rest of this month, which is really tough for me. Which is the most highly addictive drug that I have. It's, so it's more addictive than any drug in the whole world. Trading is one thing that is for me. It is a drug. If I don't take a trade, if I don't actually look at the charts for like a day, and it would be like impossible for me to actually do it. But I'm actually trying my best to not fuck my things up. Um, let's see how this one goes, bro. Like I cannot actually process. I cannot process the losses. I cannot process failure. That is the problem. I cannot even process my break-even trades, which is literally killing me, bro. Like I was up $800 on a trade, and that came to my break even, and I started over trading. And I had a plan before market open. That plan literally played out like written. It was like written, and it played out like crazy. And still, I managed to not take that. I changed the whole narrative of the market. I was bearish for the day, and I got a bullish entry. And fuck, man, I was after that. My whole there is a thing called bias, right? Bias came in, and I couldn't actually do it. I couldn't actually look for sell entries because the whole day market was keep on selling, and I was like looking for to buy. So that was a crazy, crazy day. And I, at a point, I lost myself and I full port and I hit my daily loss limit that I set to myself. And thankfully that happened. If that wouldn't have locked me out, I would have blown this account. I mean, I would have blew this account this day. Um, yeah, it is really hard. If it is really hard, even after 3 freaking years, it's about to be 4 years now. I can't do it, bro. It is hard. And I guess I should go back to bed because even now I'm on an active trade. It's exactly, let me go look at the time. 10:05, 10:05 in the night. I shouldn't even be looking at it at the charts. I, I ended up taking a trade. So fucked up my whole rules. I fucked up the whole I mean, like, I said to myself, no trades if I'm not live, and 1% risk max per day. So which is like crazy. I'm not actually following it. I didn't take a cold shower today morning. I didn't do none of that. Um, it's really hard for me to do this, but one thing I can do better is that I won't give up. I will not. I cannot. I cannot. My mind won't process giving up. My mind will never, ever, ever process this one thing giving up. What is wrong with me? What is actually stopping me is that I myself fucking up the whole system that I have to myself. I have a complete clean structured system and I should actually follow it, which I'm not doing it. If I actually do that one thing, if I actually do follow my rules, everything is going to align up. Everything is going to like payouts are going to come consistently. My physique is going to be good. My life is going to be good. My whole surroundings will be good. My connection would be better. It is within me. It is within me. I have to do it. I have to change the whole thing. I have to actually follow the rules, which is really hard for me to do it. And I hope I would actually attain that point in my uh, trading career. I would actually attain the. What can I say more, bro? I think I said enough. I tried a lot of new things, lot of things, and nothing seems to work out. And I have to try harder. That's the one thing. That's the only thing that I can do. That's the only thing I need to do. So I guess that's about it. And I'm out. Adios. Hey, by the way, as always, believe in yourself, trust in yourself, believe in God. Everything is going to be possible. Everything is possible. Everything is possible if you believe in yourself. So believe in yourself. Do not ever think about giving up. Keep going. Believe in God. Have faith in God. Everything is gonna line up. Everything is gonna come to your laps. Keep working. Keep working. Keep working. Keep working. So that's it. And I'm out. Adios.